I thought I'd better just show you the general idea while it's got its legs on. So you see they're all moving together. It's a bit difficult to use this controller with one hand. From the side. So what we've got to decide is exactly how we're going to fit this on here, because I don't want to cut the boat. I want to see if we can do it without cutting the boat. But if we mount it too high, it's going to be top heavy and it's going to tend to tip over. And the other thing is exactly where we want to cut these so they actually reach the water. Because I think that one that I cut off short is probably not going to reach the water. Oh, I don't know. It's not going to be far off, is it? It's going to be fairly close. But we've still got to mend that broken leg. I think I can just push a piece of hot wire into it, melt a hole into it, and just give it a artificial leg. And then stick that on the bottom. That'll be another video. Taking a little risk here because nothing's waterproofed. I just wanted to see how close the feet come to the water with it just sitting in there like that. And that one there, which has still got the little foot piece on the bottom of it, is touching the water. So we might be lucky, we might be about the right height. There's a little bit more weight to go in there, but not much. So it might sit just a tiny bit lower. And we can add a bit of weight. In fact, adding a bit of weight low down might be an idea to help stabilise it. I think once it gets going with sort of one side and not the other when we're trying to steer it, it might well rock about quite a bit. Yeah. Alright, well, that's a bit more to think about. I'll probably put a bit of extra foam in the hull just in case it tips over, to make sure it doesn't actually sink like a rock. But that's interesting to see that you can probably just see it, yeah, with the light there, you can just see it touching the water. So it's going to be pretty close without much further modification.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.